Good morning, ma'am. Here I am with my presentation as well as my simulation of MATLAB. So basically, uh, what I'm doing is that my topic is based on my medical application, which we have already read in DIP, as DIP can be easily applied in medical applications. So I'm gonna what I'm basically doing, gonna improve the image processing, in which we are gonna improve the image quality of our image by applying some of the algorithms and techniques which we have already read and studied in our course of DIP for this semester. So my basically what my topic is in medical application is that I am working on X-ray image processing, in which many types of generally what happens is that when we process a X-ray, then many type of noises gets introduced in it. So we are here to rectify those problems, so that the analyzer, like the doctor, can easily examine that what is the problem with the patient, or the bone which he had made X-ray of. So the problems which are generally faced by the X-rays are the noises which gets introduced in it. Some of the noises are Gaussian noise, Poisson noise, speckle noise, salt and pepper noise, and the most common type of noises which are introduced are salt and pepper noises. So what we are doing here in our project is that we are removing salt and pepper noise from the image. So basically you can see my presentation here, from here, agenda. Yeah, this is the introduction, and these are the slides. So I must go to the simulation itself. So what we are doing is that basically we are removing the salt and pepper noise from our image by applying this code. Actually, honestly saying, I have arranged some of the algorithms from different sites, and I have merged all the algorithms so that I get a complete code for that, removing salt and pepper noise. So basically, we are starting from the basic thing, which is clear all, close all, and here we are reading the image. Basically, what is the image which we are reading is 4.png. Here it is. Let me show you what is the 4.png image looks like. This is the original image which we are having. This is the original image which we are having, 4.png, and we are applying some operations like figure. I am to show the image, and the title, image with salt and pepper noise. Let me show you what happens when I apply this. So here we get the original image, which is image with salt and pepper noise, and here I am pasting the rest of the code. So let me explain you first. Basically, what is happening in this second part is that in these two lines is that we are padding the matrix with zeros on all sides, like the column and as well as the row side, or we can say left or right, upper and bottom, in front and behind, like we can say. So basically, not to confuse you, we are as we all know that X-ray works on the 2D. Basically, X-ray is the 2D imaging. So we are working on like left and right, front and backward, not top and bottom. There is no third axis involved. So basically, we are padding the matrix with zeros on all sides, and after that, in this third part, in this two for loops are applied, in which basically we are copying the original image only, original image, not image, the original image matrix to the padded matrix. Likewise, afterwards, what is happening is that we are applying three for loops in this whole part, and not this whole part, in which basically what is happening is that three things which are going on. For the first for loop, the we are what we are doing is that we are letting the window as an array, and in the second for loop, basically what we are doing is that we are storing the 3 by 3 neighbor values in the array, and after that and finding the middle value. After that, in this line, what is happening that we are placing the median element in the output matrix, and afterwards the end command is there, and we all know that what is this command used for uint8. It is basically to convert the output matrix to 0 to 255 range image type, and this helps to give the title for the image, which is image after median filtering. So let me show you how it works. I'm running the whole code, and actually why I have done this copy and pasting, because when I just run whole code, I don't get this picture. I don't know why. So the figure one shows that image after median filtering, and so after getting my median filtering, and I also get my output. Basically, what was the problem which I was facing during the whole coding of this topic, which is removing the salt and pepper noise. Actually, I've took help from many sites, but I haven't get the perfect code for that. So it is my purpose to debug the whole code. So basically, what is happening here is that let me show you first by not applying. So what is happening here is that basically let me try to run this code. So what is happening is that the thigh bone, the X-ray of thigh bone is free from salt and pepper noise, but it is in reddish color. So to remove that color, and to as we all know that X-ray is in black and white color, to convert this image to black and white, I have applied this line. Let me apply it. So after that I get the processed image with free from salt and pepper noise, which is this image, and I can also show this code for a skull bone, which is third photo. Let me save this, and I'm going to run it. So the same thing is going to happen for this. Actually, this is the image. This was the third image. Sorry, by mistakenly I've showed you the original image as this. Actually, for the previous image, it was the original image was this, with the salt and pepper noise, and this is the original image for the 3.png. Let me show you what is happening. So this is the photo, and this is the processed image after removing all the salt and pepper noise. Which we are getting is this image, and I can also show this. For before converting it to a grayscale, and as we get this reddish photo, it's quite freaky I guess. So this was the whole code from my side, ma'am. This was the whole simulation from my side. Thank you, ma'am.